In this video, I'll show you how to change your phone number in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the right-hand side, you want to click on your profile. This will be the circle. Now, below your profile, you want to head over to the bottom and click on the third option, which is profile. Now, that will take you to the overview of your profile. From here, you want to head over to the top bar and click on the second tab, which is settings. Now, below settings, click on the third option, which is security. And once you are on the security section, you will automatically see SMS, and this will be your phone number. Now, in order for you to change this, on the right-hand side of SMS, click on reconfigure. Once you do that, in here, you can set up your SMS authentication. From here, you need to select a country code. So in here, we will select our country. This will be USA as an example. It will have every single country code that it has. And at the bottom, this is where you need to add your new phone number. Let's say we want to add our phone number. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Get Code. Once you click on Get Code in here, you will receive a code from the number in which you have added. It will be a 6-digit code. Now simply add the code. And once you're done, at the bottom, click on Enable. If you did not receive a code, at the bottom and the right-hand side, you can ask them to send a new one. And once you're done, just simply click on Enable and it will automatically change your phone number. This is an example phone number, so as you can see, I am unable to get the code, but that is a way for you to change the phone number. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.